And when they installed it, they gave me a bonus of putting in 23 panels. So we really got beyond 100%, and we actually are constantly putting back into the grid. And only on extremely hot or extremely cold days do we actually exceed the production of the panels. These panels are 100% paid. So I'm saving $175 a month. I follow in a neighborhood where people are complaining their bill is $500 and $600, and my bill is 75 bucks. The panel runs the entire home, everything, AC, everything. The dryer, washer, 100%. This is a Generac. It's made by the same company that sells the home backup system, that when the power goes, I plug the generator into this panel, which is this outlet here. You just flip the switch and with that, you have full power, 100% power to the house. This filters every drop of water coming into the house, even into the toilets. So all the water in the house is treated, purified, and we call it better water because it was actually tested against waters like Dasani and Fuji water. And we tested this water against all of that, and it did better. So we call it better water.